Hey everyone, Joseph here from Airstack, and in this video, I'm going to show you the new Airstack Frame Analytics that you can use to get a full and detailed usage of all your Farcaster frames and also cast actions. And this is all provided for you as a tooling for free. So make sure to check it out. So before you are able to use the frame analytics, make sure that you have like our frames validator, the Airstack frames validator, integrated into your Farcaster frames or your Farcaster cast actions. Once you have that, then we're gonna like track all the usage from the frames validator. And from there, you can like go to airstack.xyz to go to your frames analytics. So to do that very quickly, uh, type in your Farcaster username in here. For example, I'm going to type like Mark Carey right there. For example, I want to take a look into like the frame analytics of this user Mark Carey right here. Then you'll be redirected into like the user profile page that will look like this. Just scroll down, go to the right sidebar right here under the socials, go to the Farcaster sections, and click on the username like that. And then you'll be redirected into this Farcaster profile page of the user. So once done, then you can click on the frames dev section right here. Click on that, and in this page, it's going to show you like a holistic view of all the frames and cast action usage that you have on the Farcaster network. So it's going to show you many details such as like the NADA token rewards that you received, the number of total user, unique users, number of likes, replies, recast, and these are like served in different time frames. So this is like the last 7 days by default, but you can also choose like how about like the last 1 day, how about like the last 30 days, or maybe like the all-time usage of your frames and cast action like that. So down below, you can also check out like the breakdown of how does each of your like frames or cast action perform right here, breakdown by their frames domain. And you can check it out like more or less the same data right there. And if you click on these individual like domain right here, then you can also get a more detailed overview on the subdomain level for each of these frames or cast action right there. Hope this has been helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And I'm going to see you in the next video. So thank you. Bye.